In this video I'm going to be replacing my cabin air filter from my car. This is a 2009 Honda Accord. So the last time I replaced the air filter, the cabin air filter, was 2 years ago. I've done regular maintenance on my vehicle, you know, air intake filter, oil, stuff like that, brakes. But I totally forgot about the cabin air filter. It just never came, never crossed my mind that I had a cabin air filter. I totally forgot. So today we're gonna be replacing that. So I got a cabin air filter here from Amazon. The cheapest one I got was like $14. It's the fastest one I can get, next day shipping. So I got it today, and we're gonna be replacing it. So the cabin air filter for this 2009 Honda Accord is behind the glove box. I think most of them are behind the glove box. So let's go ahead and replace it and see how it looks. I'm gonna open it up. So here you can see there's a little latch here. You gotta push this back to release it, and then inside there's these you gotta pull this both sides here. You gotta push out and down here too, push out and down, and this comes down. And then down there we have the cabin air filter, and there's a receipt over there of something. See if I can get that. That's the receipt. I don't know how I got back there, but yeah, this is the cabin air filter right here. We're gonna go ahead and remove that. There's two little tabs here. So one here and one here. Hopefully you can see that right there. We're gonna push one out and the other one, and then this should come out like so. And we're gonna see how this looks. Oh, okay. Well, look at this. This is very, very bad. This is 2 years. Same cabin air filter. 2 years. That's a lot of years. I still don't know if I installed it right. When I first replaced it, it looked right, but looking at this, if I move this, you can see it's like goes through that. So I don't know if I did it right. Let's go ahead and take this off, and then let's just look at that. Oh man, that's some thick dust there. Look at that. You see some dead bees. We got some bees here, like a bee carcass. Some hair, bunch of leaves, bunch of dust here. Look at that. Holy cow. And then here too. Oh, down here, that's just a bunch of leaves. Spider, dead spider. Oh god, dead spider. Bunch of animal carcasses. Yeah, this is way beyond replacement here. 2 years right here. The last time I bought this air filter was 2 years ago. Yep. I checked at my Amazon to see when the last time I bought one of these, and it was about 2 years ago, 2023. Oh no, 3 years ago. I bought this 3 years ago, so 2023. I bought this, and it's been 3 years since. So this is 3-year buildup of just dust and gunk and carcasses. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this with this new one here, the Carori cabin air filter CF134 right here. So last time I installed it, this has a little writing here. So airflow arrow going down, and the way I installed it last time was, you can see here on the cabin air filter tray, it says airflow and then arrows going down. So what I just did last time was I just looked at the arrows and I just did that. Oh, it probably goes this way, like so, and then that's how I installed it. Like so, push down. I think that's correct. Oh, okay. Yeah, this looks a lot better fit. I think I installed the last one correctly, honestly. I'm not sure, but yeah, we got this in nice and snug there. Now all we just got to do is install it back in there like this, and it clips on both sides nice, and then we can just close this up. Oh, forgot there's a hook here. We're gonna push this down, and then we're gonna hook it like so, and then bam, there you go. That's the cabin air filter replacement for a 2009 Honda Accord. Once again, this is the old one. Very, very bad condition here. 3 years worth of dust, and I was breathing whatever this had in here. So, you know, thankfully I remember that I needed a cabin air filter, and there you go. Make sure you guys replace your cabin air filters. It will improve airflow in your vehicle when you turn your AC on when it's hot outside. You get fresher air, cleaner air, filtered air. Anyways, that is all for this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.